Hey signers, basic needs come up in conversations all the time. In this video, I'll teach you over 50 signs for everyday essentials, plus useful phrases like, where are your shoes? And don't forget your backpack. Can you tell I'm a mom who says this almost every day? So let's learn how to sign basic needs. Now for signs on daily essentials. These are signs for everyday items people can rely on for personal care, organization, and daily routines. Key. Key. Here's a door, and this is locking it or unlocking it. Key. ID. ID. It's just abbreviated ID. ID. License. License. You have L-shaped hands, and it's making the shape of a license. License. Wallet or wallet. Both are showing the wallet opening and closing, just in different ways. Wallet, wallet. Purse or a bag. It's like you're holding the handle. Purse or a bag. Backpack, backpack. You have A-shaped hands coming where your backpack straps would be. Backpack. Clothes, clothes. You have 5-shaped hands coming on your body, representing your clothes. Clothes. Shoes, shoes. S-shaped hands tapping together. Shoes. Socks, socks. Think of slipping on your socks. Socks. Hat, hat. Think of where a hat goes, on top of your head. Hat. Scarf, scarf. Think of the scarf throwing around your neck. Scarf. Cap, as in a baseball cap. You've got the hat and the lid. Cap. Gloves, gloves. It's like you're putting on the gloves on your hands. Gloves. Mask, mask. It's making the shape of a mask going across your face. Mask. Toothbrush, toothbrush. It's like you're brushing your teeth. Toothbrush. Toothpaste, toothpaste. It's the brushing of teeth and the squeezing on the toothpaste. Toothpaste. Comb or comb hair. You're making the shape of the comb and combing your hair. Comb. Makeup. Makeup. It's the makeup that you're putting on. Makeup. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Think of pumping or squeezing the bottle and then cleaning your hands. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Soap. Soap. Think of the soap in your hands. Soap. Shampoo. Shampoo. It's showing the washing of your hair, and you can add the sign bottle with it as well. Shampoo. Tissue paper. The sign for cold and then paper together. Tissue paper. Medicine. Medicine. Your feeler finger is in the palm of your hand, like the medicine in your hand. Medicine. Band-aid or a tape type of bandage. This is the Band-aid going across your hand. Band-aid. Vitamins. Vitamins. It's a shaking V. Vitamins. Thermometer or thermometer. Think of the temperature measuring in your mouth or the measurement of something. Thermometer, thermometer. There are many different signs for glasses, but the one I prefer is glasses. You'll see it. Glasses, 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 glasses. All of them are glasses. Sunglasses is the sign sun and glasses together. So you might see sun, 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 and then glasses. Sunglasses. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Where are your shoes? Your shoes? Where? Don't forget your backpack. Backpack, don't forget you. Oh no, my glasses broke. Oh no, my glasses broke. Now for signs on communication, technology, and money. These items help with reading, writing, technology, and financial transactions. Book. Book. This is what we call a noun-verb pair. The sign book has a double movement, but then we can close the book, open the book. Book. Magazine or booklet or pamphlet. I like to think that this is the magazine and the binding. Magazine, booklet, or pamphlet. Newspaper. Newspaper. This is the paper, and it's like it's printed. Newspaper. Paper. Paper. Your dominant hand pushes in, like pressing paper. Paper. Notebook. Notebook. It's like writing down and book. Notebook. Pen. Pen. It's fingerspelled pen. Pencil. Pencil. It's bringing your pencil up to your mouth and writing it down, like touching and writing. Pencil. Money. Money. I like to think of put it right here. Money. Credit card. Credit card. Remember how credit cards used to be swiped back and forth for a carbon copy? Credit card. Debit card is signed credit card, but you can also pair it with finger spelling debit. Credit card with debit. Dollar or dollar. Your hand is sliding across or pulling out. Dollar, dollar. Hearing aid. Hearing aid. It's an X hand representing the hearing aid behind your ear. Hearing aid. Phone. Phone. You're making the shape of the phone and putting it up to your face. Phone. Phone charger is phone with different ways of charging, as in plugging it in, or the phone and showing charging, or even battery. Phone with different ways to charge. Laptop or laptop. The idea is the laptop is opening up. Laptop, laptop. Battery or electric. Think of charging together. Batteries or electric. Now let's put these signs into sentences. My phone's almost dead. My phone almost dead. Can I borrow a pencil? Pencil, borrow please. What kind of batteries does your hearing aid take? Your hearing aid? Battery? What kind? Now for signs for basic needs and extras. This category covers food, hydration, and miscellaneous items that support daily life. Water. Water. It's a W up to your mouth. Water. Candy. Candy. Think of after eating so much candy, you have a cavity. Candy. Gum. Gum. It's like you're chewing gum. Gum. Food. Eat. Food and to eat is the same sign, just with a different movement. Food is twice, and to eat is once. This is what we call a noun-verb pair in sign language. Food, eat. Coffee, coffee. Think of grinding coffee beans. Coffee. Tea, tea. You're stirring in a tea bag. Tea. Umbrella, umbrella. It's like you're opening the umbrella. Umbrella. Blanket, blanket. It's just like you're pulling the blanket up. Blanket. Pillow, pillow. You're using your C-shaped hands up by your head like you're squeezing a pillow. Pillow. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Do you have any gum? Gum, have you? It looks like rain. Bring an umbrella. Rain, maybe. Umbrella, bring. What kind of coffee do you like? Coffee, prefer? What kind you? Now that you've learned these basic signs, start using them in your everyday conversation. A great way to practice is by joining a silent chat. Many local communities host them. And our accelerated program also offers online silent chats. Check out the details in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.